Exponential functions. So we're going to just graph one together here. So just like most other things that we graph, make a table of values. And we're going to plug in numbers for x. So 3 to the 0 power, anything to the 0 power is 1. So I have 0, comma 1. I'm going to graph these points as I go here. 0, comma 1 right here. Okay. Then if I plug in 1 for x, 3 to the 1 power on my calculator would be 3. Okay, because 3 to the first power is 3. So that means when I plug in 1, I get 3. So my next point is 1, comma 3. 1, 2, 3. If I plug in 2, 3 to the second power is 9. So 2, comma 9 is up here somewhere. Okay. Now let's plug in some negative numbers. 3 to the negative 1 power. If you plug that into your calculator, you're going to see 0.33 repeating. So really that's 1/3. Or you could write the decimal form. Okay, decimal form might actually help you graph it better. So that point's, right about here, something like that. And then if I plug in -2, I get 1/9. Okay, because it's the reciprocal of this one. Notice how this one is flipped, that one is flipped. So that's even closer, getting closer and closer to this x-axis. Now, I'm not going to be able to draw this very good because of the pen on the computer, but pretty good. Now, here's something you need to pay attention to, okay? This line here, this exponential function graph, is not going to cross that x-axis. Okay, it's not going to cross. It's going to keep getting closer and closer and closer. The next one is going to be like 0.0 something, and it's just going to keep getting closer and closer, but never touch. So on my graph, it's going to look like it's riding right along this x-axis, but it actually just keeps getting closer and closer to it, but never touching. But, it's just going to be like a minuscule amount, and you're not going to be able to see it unless you were to zoom in a lot. Let's see. So that's my graph. The y-intercept is 0, comma 1, right? This is where it crosses the y-axis right here, 0, comma 1. The domain is all real numbers because it goes left, doesn't stop, goes right, doesn't stop. Where is my asymptote? It's right here at y equals 0. Okay, that asymptote is where it's going to keep coming close and close and close, but not touching. It's never going to cross that y equals 0 mark. And is it growth or decay? It's going up, right? It's going up this way, so it is growth. Decay would be going down. Okay, so this one's growth. It goes up. And just that's quick exponential functions.